Hello people, I'm back. Welcome to another episode of Danny Diesel Does Shit. See today? Fucking Danny fucking Chainsaw Diesel, mate. See those trees there? I'm gonna be chopping that shit down with this bit of fucking machinery, this bit of kit. Gonna let you know how I get on. You'll see shortly. Sun's gone, it's a bit overcast. The sun was out a minute ago, but hey, it's gotta be done. Yeah, that's a look. As we look over the fence, because see these trees here? Look. Fucking hell. People dump their shit over there. These trees, gotta cut them down. They block out the sunlight in the garden. But that big one, I don't know, boy. Yeah. They block out the sunlight when these are fully bloomed, so you're gonna get sun halfway through. That's my job today. So I'm over here. It's a fucking mess here. Made it. So we're gonna start on this tree here. So here we go. First one, chopped down. I need to chop it all up a bit. Out here is a bit Grimesville still. So I got this one here. As you can see, there's another one down there, another couple down there. And all of this. Yo. Man is out here doing this. Danny fucking Chainsaw Diesel, mate. Okay, so here comes the rain. Yo, man is having a good time. Timber. Chopping this motherfucker down. So that tree there, I chopped it. And those two, I'll just chop them up and throw the pieces back over. But yeah, this is what we're working with. So I've got these two to go. Probably gonna have to come back and do this one another day because this rain's gonna catch up. But we working. Hey, there we go, there we go. Holy shit. Got it. Hey. Man is chopping down this motherfucker. Oi. It's hard work out here, mate. Yo. Now to chop this motherfucker down. The rain's out here. Oh, there you go. Chop this down. And then the job is done for today. Oh. He scared the shit out of me. I'm standing there and the thing just snapped. It's working out how I was gonna get it down, but yo. Hey, this has been some hard work, boy. Yo, so guys, that was a false alarm. Well, it wasn't a false alarm, it did rain a bit, but man just said F it. Whew. You know what? See this tree here? I'm gonna tackle it. Fuck it. I've got all the way through, and this bit here, I've got to do that one as well. Let me show you, let me see what I've done. I didn't even take a before picture, but let you see how it's all done. You need me. You need trees cutting down. You need this. I've got the chainsaw. Danny fucking Chainsaw Diesel. Man like Chainsaw Diesel. Sweating. Aye. That tree defeated me. But I chopped it up. On a mad thing. Oh well, I've been working for a couple hours, so if you see that man just did the thing. Look at all of that. Chainsaw. Yeah, I'll show you the skyline when I get back over the fence. But yeah, you need services like this. Obviously, you know the vibe. Shout me. Hard work. Ain't gonna be cheap. So that's how the skyline's looking now. I don't watch them little twigs there. They're chopped down dead. I just couldn't reach them to get them down, but nothing's gonna grow back. But yeah, the sun comes up there. All this was being blocked before, but not anymore. It's all gone. See, when the sun starts shining, it's gonna be gone in the garden.
Germany gone.